content that you're saying that is not working might be the content that will even go viral. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're clicking on this video for the very first time, it's Makari's Cakes here, and I'm super excited to have you all here once again on my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. And to my audience, thank you all so much for always coming around to watch my videos. I see your questions. You guys can ask lots and lots of questions, but it's all good anyways, and I'm super excited that you guys are at least asking, and I'm responding to your questions. Yeah, so for those that are always watching my previous videos, I see all of you. Okay, so thank you so much. So before I start this video, I really want to quickly say something here on my channel. I have a membership here on this particular channel where you get to watch or have access to my videos, my cake baking videos, those particular recipes that I have that I normally use to bake for my customers. I have that recipes on my membership channel here. So in case you're interested, you can just I'm going to drop the link on the description box of this video. You can click on it and just pay a token, just to support me on this channel. And also I get lots of requests on one of my other videos on how to make yogurt, granola, and the likes of it. So many of you are always dropping comments on that particular video that you want to really learn how to make yogurt. Well, if you really want to learn how to make it and you're really serious about it, then check my membership. Everything is there, and you just have for you to pay a token every month to get access to that video. And the good thing about this thing is that you can cancel your payment. Like whenever you're done watching, you can just cancel the payment. And if you feel like you can watch just you can watch once and you can get to understand everything, then why not? After that once payment, you can just feel free to cancel it. Okay, so mind you, that's the only way you can support me here on this channel. So that aside, let's just go straight into this video. So the thing I'll be talking about in this video, like you guys already saw the title here, is content creation. Okay, content creation. Now, what is a content? A content is something, I don't know how to say it, but a content is something that you pour out there to your audience for them to know you and know what you do. Now, a lot of bakers especially find it hard to put up content on their Instagram channel, on their any of their social media platform. And for me, I feel like content is not that hard. Anything at all you have is content. You mustn't wait until you have a cake that you have baked for your client before you can now put it up as content. Do you know that even as you're going to market to shop for your baking ingredients is also a content? Tell your customers like, okay, I'm here going to the market, this is where I shop my ingredient that I used to bake those moist and delicious cakes for you, my client. It's also part of a content. You can show us when you're cleaning your shelf, more like you're trying to you're reinstalling things, you're taking off things that you do not want. It's also a part of content. You mustn't wait until you have baked that particular cake before you now say, okay, let me post this. No, if you're doing that, you'll be wasting so much time and people will not get to see you, people will not get to know what you're doing. So content is anything that is related to your business. And not only that, like I said, going to the market to shop for your ingredients, when you're pouring your butter into the baking pan, is also part of a content. So if you feel like you can dance and show your customers, why not? But the thing is that many people don't know how to dance. And like I used to tell people, do what works for you. Do you understand? Do what works for you. Just because speaker A is dancing, then because she's dancing, and then you want to go and start dancing to showcase your product, well, it might not really work for you. It might. But if you feel like, if you have this strong feeling that, okay, let me just dance to entertain my audience, then why not? It's also part of content. How about you have this dessert cake you're selling, you have this cake parfait you're selling, you have this dessert cake slices you're selling. You can be dancing and be eating the cake. You might be like, this cake is so yummy, so delicious. It's also part of content. You're making your customers know that they have to come and buy this thing, that if they don't buy that, they're missing a lot too. Do you understand? It's also part of content. How about when you're done baking this cake and you are kind of taking these slices, and then you brought out another caramel filling. You show us how you are taking these caramel fillings and then you're pouring it into your cake. is also part of content. Like, you're making your customers grow, you're making your customers know that you have caramel filling that you're selling and they can even put into their cakes. That's also part of content. Your content should speak value. Your content, should keep your audience glued to your page or to whatever platform you're using. Your content, should, like I used to tell people, there are 4 things that make people stay glued to your page. Number 1 is entertainment, number 2 is information, number 3 is education, and number 4 is I can't remember the last one, but if I remember, I'm going to let you guys know. So if you feel like you can do something entertaining for customers to get to know you, why not? If you feel like you're good at information, giving values, sharing informational values, then why not? If you feel like you're educating, like you have content that speaks education about your page, then why not? Then the other one is more like a positivity. If you feel like that's a motivational content, yes, that's it. So if you have content that feel like motivates your audience, then why not? So make sure that even if you're not good at a particular, make sure that the 4 of them, you're always trying to make your audience feel that, see, I'm here. So content can come in different ways. How about okay, you're trying to today, maybe like for example, today is Tuesday or yesterday was Monday. I know every week there is to-do list that people have for the week and people have for the day. Now, not everybody knows how to do to-do list. How about showing us, okay, this is my to-do list for the day. Today I'm going to bake a cake, I'm going to arrange my stuff, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. You are showing us that you have a to-do list. Now, that content you have put up there on your page, you have inspired somebody. Do you get? You have that inspirational content. That's the 4th or 5th one. Yes, you have inspired somebody to know how to put down to-do list, because not everybody knows how to do that. People just carry out their day by what they have in their head, and doesn't really work or make sense, because at the end of the day, you might not be able to carry out or exhaust what you have in your head. But when you put them down, you're making people, like when you put them down, it reminds you that, okay, I have to do this today. I have a target to finish those things on my to-do list. Now, that's a content. You are inspiring people to know that it's good to put to have a to-do list. Now, everything's all about baking and cake decorating. No, it's not all about that. There are so many things that you can use to inspire your audience. There are so many things you can inspire your audience, so many content out there. What I'm doing now is a content, right? Now, maybe today I don't have a cake to post on my Instagram page. I can just take a clip of this video, maybe like 15 seconds clip of this video, and put on my Instagram page, making people know that there's a content I have posted on my YouTube channel. So content, there are a 1001 content that you can put on your page. You don't have to say I don't have content, especially for those that are just starting up. At least try and put something even if it is once a day you are posting the content. Is very, very important. Just think of something around you. Tell us that, okay, I bought this spatula today. This spatula cost me 200 naira and I love this color. You are telling your audience that I love this particular color. Like, if they like it, they can go and buy this spatula. It's content. Do you get it? But don't just post anyhow content on your page. Put up content that is educated. Like that spatula I said, it's just because somebody can decide to go and buy that spatula because they love that color. Do you get me? Not because they don't have other spatula in their kitchen or in their baking, but because they love that spatula. But because there are different types of spatula. Do you understand? There are different types of amazing spatula that we use for baking. So you might decide to put up that original spatula one. Somebody will be like, when did you buy this spatula? I love it too. It's a content. I don't know if I'm making sense, guys. Do you get me? I don't want this video to be too long. I want this video to be very, very, very short and simple, so that you guys can grab everything I've said here. Okay, so content for you should not be too hard. Just look for what's around you, in your kitchen, in your bakery, whenever you're right. Maybe you're working on your laptop, and maybe like there was one time I was doing my accounting on my system. I just made a 50 seconds video and I put it on my page, more like this is how I put up my accounting sales on my on my laptop, and people are like, wow, ma, please, can you come and teach me how to do that? That inspirational content. That's that's the inspirational word content. So I didn't even post anything cake thing that day. I just did something like that, and then it went viral sort of. So some content that you're going to put on your page that will go viral. You mustn't say this one is not working. That content that you're saying that is not working might be the content that will even go viral. Am I making sense? Do you get? So don't just say I don't have content. There are so many things you can post that content. There are so many things. Somebody might not even know that you have to clean the camera of your back lens before you can start using it to film. Show us that, see, this is how I clean my camera back lens. Somebody that not know might just learn from that simple tip. It's also a content. Show us maybe when you're about to film a content, show us how you're trying to set up your camera, how you're trying to set up your tripod stand, how you're trying to set up, your lightings. More like a 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds video. It's a content. There are 1001 content ideas around you. How about your ring light? Show us how you're cleaning your ring light, and then there's a cake in front of you that you want to snap or you want to video. Show us this is how you used to edit. No, any sort of content. You guys understand me? So yeah, that's it. So I hope this video has really inspired you on what is content creation. You don't have to wait until you have one beautiful cake picture before you can now have it as a content. No, there are so many things around you, even looking at you, that you can use as content. Just be creative about it. Do you understand? So I hope this video has inspired you to start creating content on your pages, on your any other type of platform that you have. I hope this video really inspire you a lot, and if it does, please give it a thumbs up, massive thumbs up. Share this video to all your social media platforms, those are your different cake groups. Please share this video, like it, drop your comments. Tell me one single thing you learned in this video. Drop it in the comment section. I want to really know if you understand all what I've said there in this video. So I look forward to your comments, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell and put on it on all, so I can always get notified whenever I upload a video on the channel. And lastly guys, don't forget to check out my membership offers I have here on my channel. Like, they are so affordable and really amazing for you to learn. So I'm going to stop here guys. I'm going to look forward to seeing you in my next video. Stay fabulous and stay blessed. And oh yes, I did cut my hair. I hope I'm looking so beautiful guys. Bye.